Good morning, guys. A little Saturday service call action for you on this beautiful morning here on the high desert, heading into Bend, Oregon. So I got another Bosch heat pump that the customer said quit working on them. This one I believe is a 18 SEER, so haven't had a single circuit board bad on those, but if it is a circuit board, I'm not going to be happy. So we will see. We will definitely see. Boy, that car looked like a cop car, but it's not. Hope you saw that there on the left. So hopefully we can get this fixed for them without having to order any parts, especially not a circuit board. That would be ideal on this Saturday morning. But you know, I don't know what I'm gonna find here. So I got everything I could think of outside of you know, the proprietary parts for the heat pump. So hopefully we can get her fixed. Let's see what we can find out there. All right, guys, I just talked to the homeowner. Put the thermostat on regular heat. Now we're just waiting for the delay. So let's not get an E6, huh? Give it a few minutes here. This is the BOVB 36HDN1-M18M. Haven't had any problems with these boards, only the M15s. So let's cross our fingers. Hey guys, she's running, and guess why? Nothing wrong with any of the equipment. It's another VISIONPRO thermostat. I had to jump right out to get it to go. Unreal. And that was another new thermostat I put on. Glad I don't install those anymore. Okay guys, luckily the customer kept their old VISIONPRO Wi-Fi thermostat, which was only like 6 months old when I put in the regular VISIONPRO, and right now it's calling for heat. So let's hope that does it. Oops. It's clicked.
Because he said that he said something about like, oh yeah, we were on Black here, and I was like,
Thermostat just clicked. All right. There we go. Stupid thermostats, man. That's why I don't put those ones on anymore. That's why I'm doing the Focus Pro. Wait for this thing to switch over to heat. You'll hear the reversing valve here in a second. There it goes. See the frequency ramping up there. No way I can really run those lines. Don't think it's switched over to heat yet. There it goes. Now we'll start getting our line warm here. Yeah, I knew it wasn't the board. These M18s, haven't had any issues with them. Alright, line's warming up. Let's go check the air handler. Okay guys, so I'm back home. So as I've showed you in the past, I have two of these VISIONPROs. These are the, because I have a 2-zone system, and these are the TH8320R1003, the same ones that have been failing on me, okay? I've been lucky. The ones I have installed at my home are doing just fine. Maybe it's because I have the old puffy shirt near it. Maybe that's helping it out. And then I also have the old, the shining red rum. Little ornaments my wife gets me for Christmas, and I just put them on the wall. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about here. But yeah, these are running fine. So let's go out to the truck. Hey, Roxy, how you doing? Oh, that's my puppy. Let's go out here. And I'll go grab the one I pulled off today. Yeah, I'll get my mess cleaned up someday. So, the one I just pulled off this morning. Love to go out on a Saturday for stupid crap like this, you know? So, that's just because it's saying that the sensor's not tied in. That's why it's got that alert, because it's not wired in. Let's open this up. Open it up if I can with one hand. One of my dog's barking inside. And as you'll see, this one is a TH8320 R1003. Not working. So it's not energizing Y on a call for heat or cool. Why? I don't know. Pretty annoying, huh? Very annoying, actually. So I got another one of these, the warranty. Once I get it warranted, I'm just gonna have them refund me the money for it. They better. I don't want store credit out nothing, because I'm gonna give the money back to the customer. So I don't know. This is probably the 10th one. So this is the reason why you guys have seen me. Hold on a sec. Let me have a seat here. Talk to you. So the 10th one probably that I've had go bad, and I'm done with them. That's why I'm doing those Focus Pro. I think they're the S200s. And I've had good luck with those so far. I've installed probably 5 or 6. So we'll see. You know, time will tell how those go. But man, pretty annoying. Pretty annoying having those Vision Pros go bad. Because I really like those thermostats. And I have some colleagues in town that install the Vision Pros, and they haven't had any issues. So it couldn't be anything I'm doing. All I'm doing is installing them, and they're failing on me. Like I said, I've had probably 3 or 4 of them just would go into wait mode and never come out. They get stuck in wait mode. I've had a couple that, like this one, that weren't energizing Y, and I've had some just not do anything. The relays just wouldn't click on anything. And, you know, brand new out of the box. Even my dad's, when I went and did my dad's heat pump a couple of years ago, animal creeping around over there. I went and did my dad's heat pump a couple of years ago, his Ream system. I wish I would have got video of that. That was a fun ordeal. I put a Vision Pro on, and the thing went in wait mode the first time I fired it up. And I reset the power, fired it back up, and the thing never failed again, or never got stuck in wait mode again. So I don't know what's going on with these Vision Pros, guys. If you've had problems with them, let me know. But I won't install them anymore. I won't install them to my worst enemy. I'm done with it. So, you know, another Vision Pro, wasting my time on a Saturday morning when I have better things to do, and I could be spending time with my family. So, yeah, it is what it is. But let me know in the comments if you guys have had any issues with the Vision Pros. But you know, it's kind of a moot point for me because I'm not installing them anymore. Even though I do have quite a few out there still. But they all seem to be purring along pretty good. You know, I got 2 in my own house that are doing just fine. So, and it's funny because it's only that model. The Wi-Fi ones don't have that issue. I've never had any issue with the Wi-Fi's. The only reason I've installed those, you know, the RedLink ones is because I've needed them for RedLink components. Or maybe I just didn't have enough wires to run a common, and I want to run it off batteries. Sometimes you only have 8 wires. If I want to do a 2-wire sensor, I can't do a Wi-Fi thermostat. I won't have enough wires because I need 9 on those 2-stage systems with 2-wire sensors, outdoor sensors. So I really wish I could use those as a red link. Now I don't really have a red link thermostat that I can use for wireless stuff. Because the new Focus Pro won't do it. They're not a wireless thermostat. They're just good. They're a good cheap Wi-Fi thermostat is what they are. So I won't bore you too much with this anymore today, guys. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow for something.